Hey guys, Marty over at M&M Short Lines. Happy Sunday. Doors open, sun is shining, running trains. Sorry about the lighting. Alright, Sunday, just running a tank car unit train. It's all the tankers I've got except for one. I need a set of micro trains, trucks, and couplers for. So we're running this short little unit train here to see how it does. And a lot of these cars is first time out on the layout. So excuse the movement. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Got to do maintenance on the vehicle. So last night, let me show you what I did here. Hang on just a second. Last night I decided to cut in this crossover here to go from the outside main line to the inside yard lead. Alright, excuse the movement again. That's just so it can bypass the passenger siding for when I have trains parked here at the train station. There is a turnout there, but instead of having the freight train run through the passenger station, it can bypass the station and still get into the yard lead once it passes the station and the turnouts, as that one's doing there. It can cross over into the yard just like that. So that's all I've got going on today, guys. Happy Sunday. Beautiful day down here in Mesa, Arizona. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.